I want to show you how to make objects move smoothly in Premiere Pro. To begin, go over to Effects and search for Transform, and add it to your image clip. Under Effect Controls, scroll down to Transform and click the keyframe button for position. Now, adjust the position until your object completely disappears off the screen. Move your timeline slider ahead 2 seconds, and then adjust the position of your object so it's back on the screen again. Now, highlight the keyframes and expand position. Then manipulate the 2 blue dots so that the arc is at the beginning of the anim, like this. Scroll down and uncheck the Used Composition Shutter Angle and change the angle to 360. To increase the speed of the animation, simply move the second keyframe closer to the first one. Everything is ready, let's see the result.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.